to extend a very special welcome to all of my brand new subscribers, and I'd like to thank you all for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to share more content with you, and I can't wait to get my next 1,000 subscribers. And I'm so thankful that you've all decided to join me on this little journey. If you're brand new to my channel today and you have not yet clicked the subscribe button down below, that little heart down below, make sure you do so right now or anytime during the video, but right now is a prime opportunity because you might forget if you're watching the playlist. So make sure you click that if you haven't. I really appreciate it. And again, welcome to you all. This collaboration is called Show Some Love. Kimberly hosts this collab every year for Valentine's Day. And what Kimberly has asked us to do is to show a tablescape, any type of tablescape related to Valentine's Day of our choosing, and also to tell you 3 things that we love. And this year she's added one little twist, that's Kimberly's way. She's added a little twist of a little DIY. So I'm going to share that with you. It's going to be so super quick. I couldn't believe how quick it was, but I wish I was a better painter. That's just a little hint there. So let me go ahead and share with you my 3 things that I love. I love so many, but these are my top 3 in order. So I absolutely love, I am a Christian. I was raised in a Christian household of a Christian faith. And I absolutely love my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Love, love, love. I thank Him every day throughout the day, because without Him, I literally would not be where I am today or the person that I am today. My number 2, I wish I could have 2 number 1s, but my number 2 is my family. I love my family. My husband of 30 plus years, our 2 beautiful children, and now the 2 mates that they have found. So I absolutely love and adore my family and would do anything for them. Number 3, okay, so now let's get down to it. I love to shop. This year I am so determined to spend less money on things, but one thing that I might not be able to depart from is my thrifting. I love thrifting so much. I live in an area where we have Goodwill, Salvation Army, lots of church-run thrift homes, or thrift, I don't know what you want to call it, thrift stores, shops. And then we have some huge churches in our area, and they have like annual rummage sales. So I get so excited. Oh, and you know what else we have? We have, it's like a 22-mile long garage sale. So you guys, if you love to thrift shop, Michigan, mid-Michigan is the place to be in the summertime. Love it, but I'm going to do my best to refrain as much as possible this year, but I'm not going to make promises on that because I love it too much. So next, I'm going to share with you my tablescape and my DIY. I hope you enjoy them both, and I hope you make sure you watch all of the participants in this playlist. And I'm hoping it's going to be kind of a long playlist because I'd really like to get some new ideas, and I hope that other people really like my idea that I'm showing you today. Please make sure you stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I have several hauls coming up for you. And yes, we just talked about cutting back on shopping, but these are essentials for some redecorating that we're doing around our home. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and take care. Bye. DIY, I'm using champagne flutes from the Dollar Tree and oil-based Sharpie markers. These markers will mark on wood and glass, and they're also water resistant.